hitch. We're gonna put in a new hitch today. 18mm. Okay, you gotta take off. There's 2 bolts going through for a plate. Right there, see the plate? Take these 2 bolts off. Oh my gosh. Okay, now get those bolts taken out. You need to loosen these up. You see how they can move? There's 2 of them, and they hold that bracket down. Just loosen them up and move it back a little bit. Okay, we got the 2 original bolts in. And we got the 2 new bolts in for theirs. We're gonna tighten them all up. And then we had to take those bolts completely out. And we'll install them back after we get everything finished. Alright, we got everything put back together. We got those 2, they're a 10mm socket to put them in. And we got the hitch installed, and this took us probably about 15 minutes. There's the bolts. That was the original bolts. And those are the ones that came with it. It came with 4, but we only had to use 2. And you need an 18mm socket and a 10mm socket. That's pretty easy. Looks pretty good.